Hey there, I thought we could make a quick GIF and this is how we do it. So sign into your WeVideo account, click onto personal, and I'm going to click create new and create new GIF. Once we've opened that up, you'll notice a few things. It's a little bit different than a normal movie. First thing, save it into my folder called how to videos. First thing you'll notice here, it says in the yellow over here, it says 45 seconds. Really, we're keeping the GIF or GIFs as short as possible, 45 seconds maximum. Also notice you've only got 3 tracks here to play with and no audio, so there's no audio in GIFs or GIFs as well. So I thought I'd make a quick one, and I'm mainly going to use the stock media that we have available. So I'm going to click videos, and I thought, you know what, soup's coming up. Soup day, I love my soup day, it's my favourite day of the year. So I might choose, I've just done a search in videos for an image of soup. So it might be, let's go this one. Have a quick preview. Like it. Or I could do something like this with the stirring. It's more pasta soup, but that's yummy. There's lots to choose from. So I'm going to choose that first one. I think it's only 15 seconds. I'm going to drag that down to the bottom. Okay, so basically the tracks are going to be laid on top of each other. So the thing on the bottom, and I put something on top of that, something on top of that. So now that's thing on video 2, I'm going to put a person. So soup makes me smile. So I could record myself using the record function, or I could do a bit of a search. Now notice this one has a green. I like that one because I'm going to use that one. I could do smile green, and then you'll see lots of a few different ones with green backgrounds uses a green screen, but I'm going to use that one before. Had a look at that. I liked it. And I'm going to click and drag that down in here. Now at the moment you'll see when I press play, you'll see the soup and then the greens over the top of it. I better show. Yeah. So what I want to do is make that green invisible. So I'm going to double click on that track to get some advanced features where I can edit. I might make it a little bit smaller so I can still see my soup. And the other thing I'm going to do is click over here. It's a little person icon. I'm going to make the green disappear. So I'm going to click the dropper. Come on over here. You'll see the dropper's there. Click on that, and that makes that disappear. I'm going to save changes. And so I might just do a quick fade. So it fades in, fades out. Save changes. All right. So now when I press play, I'll say, yep, soup. Oh my goodness, it's soup. Yummy soup. I can't believe it. Soup day. Yes. Woohoo. Oh, it's just the best. Yay. All right, so that looks cool. And you see it faded and fade out there. Of course, I want to add a little bit of text on top, and I've got one more track here to play with. I might choose, there's lots of different things I can choose. Those special ones, I haven't had a look at these before. No, nothing special there. Don't know what I was talking about. Click back. Let's go captions. How about this one? Double. I'm going to click and drag that one out. You'll see that fits over the top. Now I can, because I don't want it in front of the character's face, I'm going to double click. I can move the title over a bit. So now I've got it over here. Now go back to soup day tomorrow. Yay, and save changes. Oh, and I can change the colours and stuff like that. Now let's press play. Soup. Oh my goodness, soup day tomorrow. Yes, woohoo. And you'll notice this clip is only about 15 seconds or so. I might just take my soup clip and take it a little bit shorter there at the end. I might make the soup day icon stay up a little bit longer. And then when I'm finished, I'm going to click finish. Give it a name, soup day. And click set. Now I can work on the size. I can change the frame rate to make it smoother, depending on the size. I might make it nice and small though. Export, I'm going to save that in my Google Drive. Click export. And it will export. Okay, at the end it'll look something like this. Yay, soup day, soup day, soup day, soup day, soup day. It's so good, I'm so excited. Yummy, yummy, yummy. And that's how you make a GIF. Or GIF.